Silymarin. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of health and wellness, specifically discussing the incredible benefits of Silymarin. In less than 3 minutes, we'll uncover the powerful properties of this natural compound. So let's get started. Silymarin is a potent herbal extract derived from the milk thistle plant, scientifically known as Silybum marinum. It's been used for centuries as a traditional remedy, and modern research has revealed some fantastic health benefits. Number 1. Liver support. The most well-known benefit of Silymarin is its exceptional support for liver health. It contains active compounds that act as antioxidants and anti-inflammatories, protecting the liver from damage caused by free radicals and toxins. Number 2. Detoxification. The liver is our body's primary detoxification organ, and Silymarin enhances its ability to flush out harmful substances, such as alcohol, drugs, and environmental pollutants. Number 3. Liver regeneration. Here's something remarkable: Silymarin stimulates the regeneration of liver cells, helping the liver recover and repair from damage more effectively. Number 4. Cholesterol management. Studies have suggested that Silymarin may contribute to lowering LDL cholesterol levels, the bad cholesterol, and raise HDL cholesterol levels, the good cholesterol. Number 5. Antioxidant properties. As an antioxidant, Silymarin helps neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Number 6. Blood sugar control. If you're concerned about blood sugar levels, you'll be thrilled to know that Silymarin may help improve insulin sensitivity, which can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or prediabetes. Number 7. Skin health. Believe it or not, Silymarin can also work wonders for your skin. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce acne, promote healthier skin, and slow down the aging process. Now, you might be wondering how to incorporate Silymarin into your routine. Well, it's available in various forms, including capsules, tablets, or liquid extracts. Always follow the recommended dosage on the product label or consult your healthcare professional for personalized advice. And that's a wrap on the incredible health benefits of Silymarin. Remember, it's essential to maintain a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet and regular exercise, to maximize the effects of any supplement. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.